let's get into it. Ooh. I just want to say that my nails are not done, so when I show these products, don't come for me. Okay, so let's just jump right into this tutorial. This is gonna be like my updated everyday makeup routine for 2022. Okay, so we're gonna be starting off with I love to nano pin my face before I do my skincare. So for those of you that don't know, I am working with Deminauge. They are a skincare company. They sell like nano pins and things like that. They are amazing. I love them. I think I did show you guys this product in a previous video of mine. I'm also going to try and link it up top. But I absolutely love their products. Amazing, amazing. So I do use the nano pin as well as the brightening serum because for those of you that don't know, I am on my skincare journey of getting rid of these acne scars that are, seems like, don't want to go away. The pin comes with these nano chips and they also come with the brightening serum all in one pack. Love it. I have so much of this stuff, you guys, that I feel like it's gonna last me probably until summertime. There's so much stuff in this box. So make sure you guys check it out. I will leave all the information down below as well as a code that you can use to get a nano pin just like me and get your skin back right for the summer, girl. So I always start off with my brows. So we're gonna start off with, I like to tame my brows with this edge control. This is the Meltdown. I don't really know if this is like sold everywhere. I just know like my beauty supply store has this stuff. But I like to tame my brows before I put pomade on them. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this stuff on them to slick them down. They are not waxed also, by the way, so they might not look good by the time we get done, but. And then I just use like this edge brush, also get from the beauty supply store, and just go crazy. I like to brush them upwards first. If you have never done this with your brows, I like to brush them upwards all the way up, all nice and straight. And then I just like to kind of carve them into the perfect shape that I need them to be. So honestly, like, this would be perfect, but I'm still gonna draw them in because, you know, that's what I do. Next, I'm just gonna go in with this pomade. This is just, it's not even a logo on it anymore. I've had it for so long. But this is a pomade from Makeup Revolution. I think it's the dark brown. It is, it's the dark brown. And I'm using the angled brush from Morphe. And when I do my brows, I just like to do like hair like strokes. So I'm literally just going in the direction that the hairs are going in. Just like that. So yeah, it is gonna look a little bit crazy, but we're about to clean them up with some concealer. Now I have two concealers. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm gonna do like my same routine, but I'm literally using products that I've never used before that I'm trying from TikTok, so I'm a little nervous. So honestly, the only products that are new are my concealers and my foundation. So I'm trying these e.l.f. concealers because this girl on TikTok, her makeup was bomb. So I'm trying this e.l.f. concealer just to see how it looks, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna try it. So we're trying medium peach. So I'm just gonna clean these up with a flat brush. This looks like it could be my color, but we'll see. Ooh. So my usual concealer is the Too Faced concealer, but this is honestly kind of giving me the same vibe and I like it. It's like real creamy, cute. Now I'm really feeling this concealer for sure. Just put the concealer on my eyelids and I'm just gonna buff it out. Okay, so I just put a little bit of powder on my eyes. That is the Banana Powder Makeup Revolution. And that is my favorite translucent powder. It's better. I've tried literally all the translucent powders there probably is in life. And this is the only one by far that I found that I actually love. Now that that is on my eyes, I am going to blend out the rest of this concealer. And then I'm going to go ahead and put on some eyeshadow from a Morphe palette. I usually use like a pale pink, pale like brownish kind of color just for like a natural look, especially if it's an everyday look. I'm gonna do something that kind of looks natural but still kind of makes my eyes pop. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to show you guys what lashes I'm going to be putting on too. By the way, I'm about to use the 35H Morphe palette. This is the pale mauve color right next to the turquoise. If you do have this palette or you are interested in the color that I'm about to put on my eyes, this is the color that I'm going to be using as the base, and more than likely the only color that I'm putting on my eyes. Okay, so next I'm going to put on some lashes. These are actually from a beauty supply store. I get most of my lashes from beauty supply stores now because the beauty supply store in my city is the bomb. So they always have the best lashes. So I have these. These are V-Lux by IMV, just in case they do have a website. I really don't know. But these are the Nora Lace lashes. These are so gorgeous. And these are the ones I'm going to be putting on today. I'm about to go ahead and cut these and shape them to my eyes. Put some glue on them. I do use the duo glue, the clear strip glue, just in case you guys are wondering. And yeah, so while I put the glue on my lashes, I do like to just put a little mascara on my lashes so they can, you know, blend in better. And when I put mascara on, it pretty much dries by the time the lashes are ready to be put on my eyes. So it's just an easier process for me. Also, what I like to do with my lashes, this might be very unorthodox, I really don't care. I like to put a strip of this lash glue right above my lash line, just so that it's like, to me, it's just extra support for your lashes and makes them stick better. In my opinion, in my experience, I've just known that like I can literally fall asleep with these lashes on my eyes and they will be intact and perfect the next day. With me doing like the strip right above my eye. So I just like to put the lash glue right above my lash line before I apply my lashes. Now to my favorite part, we're gonna move on to the face portion of this makeup routine. So I am going to put on my foundation. This is gonna be my first time using this foundation. I just bought this. This is the Morphe, honestly, forgot the name. But this is the Morphe foundation. Everything will be linked in the bio down below, or in the description box down below. Excuse me. But this is the Morphe foundation. I got matched for it at Ulta a couple days ago. I just got it like 2 days ago. And it looked like it was a pretty good match, but this stuff seriously oxidizes. So if you have never used this and you're thinking about ordering it online, don't. You need to actually go to the store and test it out, because I literally had like tester strips all over my chest and neck because we could not find my color. Like, it's so hard to figure it out. So hopefully this is the right color. But I do apply my my foundation with a big ol' beauty blender. So we're gonna go ahead and get this applied, and then I am gonna go ahead and also apply my concealer. This is a Fair Warm. This is actually the lightest color that e.l.f. actually had available. This is not even the front of the thing, but this is the lightest color that they had available for their concealer. And I want, like, usually when I do my makeup, like where my concealer is not bright how other girls are, if that makes sense. Like, I see girls that have their makeup done and it's like contoured, like snatched, and mine was just like, it's a beat face, like it's cool. And I didn't want that. I want a contour, I want a snatch face. Oh, this is a real full coverage. I look yellow. I definitely look yellow for sure though, but I like the coverage. Okay, so this is my first time actually fully applying this foundation on my face, and it is so yellow. Like, it's not as yellow in real life as it is on this camera, but it is so yellow. And hopefully my concealer will balance everything out once I contour and everything. But I'm actually feeling the I'm feeling the coverage of the foundation. But that's about it. That's all I'm feeling right now. Like, I'm so used to wearing NARS that I think that that's where my expectations are always set when I try a new foundation. But it's not bad. It's really not. So let's get this concealer applied because I'm about to lose all hope. So before I add powder, I am going to contour my face. So I bought another e.l.f. concealer. This is one of the darker colors. This is the Deep Cinnamon. I'm gonna be doing a liquid contour. I'm gonna do this with this angled brush and we're gonna see how this comes out. I'm a little nervous. I'm gonna apply the same powder that I showed you guys with the same brush underneath my eyes. And I'm also going to be applying this powder just right underneath this little contour, just so we can get a clean contour, if you know what I mean. And then I'm just gonna blend it out. I'm just gonna go with this bronzer. This is from Morphe, and an angled brush also by Morphe. I'm gonna use the angled eyeshadow brush to go ahead and contour my nose because we're looking real weird right here, and that's because my nose is not contoured. Okay, now I'm feeling like myself again. And then the same down here, just around my chin because we're looking just real broad right now. So I'm just blending everything out at this point because everything just feels so harsh on my face. Okay, so now I am gonna go with this highlighter. This is the Master Chrome Maybelline highlighter. It is in the shade Molten Gold. This is the best drugstore highlighter I've ever seen in my life. It goes on so creamy and it doesn't look like, you know how some of them highlighters be looking, but I'm gonna use this as a highlighter, but I'm also going to be putting it in the corner of my eyes. Put a little bit on my nose. So I do like to put on fake moles, fake beauty marks, whatever you want to call them. Love them, not ashamed of it. A lot of people will look down on people that put them on. I just want to say to those people, you're boring. So we're gonna put on some beauty marks. I just like putting these on my face. I don't really have an explanation for why. I just like them. So yeah. But now I am going to put on my setting spray. Also Morphe. If you can't tell, I absolutely love Morphe. This is my favorite drugstore brand. I consider them drugstore because usually makeup is like $50, $60 for basic stuff. Morphe, you can get their stuff way cheaper and it's still good quality products. So I love Morphe. I'm gonna set my face with this. I'm gonna go with this NYX liner. This is the brown. I thought this was gonna be like a fancy color. It's brown, okay? But it's just a NYX liner. And it is, in fact, brown. So I just like to line my lips with this. Let me grab my lip gloss really quickly so I can show you guys. Okay, so I do use the beauty supply store lip gloss. If you don't know, you need to know, okay? Go to your local beauty supply store. I promise you, they got this exact lip gloss. I don't care where you are in the United States. They gonna have this, okay? I promise you. And then lastly, I just like to coat my bottom lashes with some more mascara. And that's pretty much all I do for my everyday makeup routine. So that is pretty much everything, you guys, for this everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys liked it. I'm still looking really yellow, but I went to my bathroom and this camera is a liar because I am not yellow and I'm really feeling this. So I'm really mad that it looks yellow on my camera. Hopefully I can color correct it or something. But thank you guys for watching this video if you made it this far. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything like that, make sure you comment down below. I will try to answer any questions you guys may have or any comments you may have. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.